Going after the ball. What, Ari? I'll be right there. Hey, Diego. You want to come see Mama? Show Daddy how you crawling? Scooting? Look what Mommy has, a Lego. You come get it? You want to come get it? You don't want to come to Mama?
Consider being my girlfriend? If you come up with a plan that completely smooths out the middle end, I'm not going to be your girlfriend.
Hey, go. What if I have your water cup? Diego, look what Mommy has. Diego! Diego, look what Mommy has. Clean teeth? Smells fresh. Yes, you may. Yes, you may. Ariana, I'm making a video and you don't have any pants on. Ain't dancing now. So Daddy, a little dance you do. Here, I'll get you a song. Who could it be?
Isa. Isa, Mom.
I see her.
What are you doing? I want green candy cane.
Diego, you're supposed to be crawling to me.
Green candy.
I thought you were going to dance for me.
Dance to Mommy. Well, make you dance. Dance first.
No.
Oh, there's no candy cane.
Look. For my video over here. Get over there and dance.
No.
You always dance.
Oh.
Diego's not crawling. You're not dancing.
Ariana's a big old baby.
In a minute. Come here, Diego. You know what? Get a candy cane off the tree and then show it to your brother and maybe he'll crawl to me. Come here, Diego. Come to Mama. Look what I got. No, over here. Show it over here. Look what Sissy has. Sit next to me. Right there. There you go. You don't have to sit. You can stand. Look, she's going to come get it. Here it comes. Oh, get whatever that is, Ari. Get that paper from him. And then come back with the candy game. Because he's coming for it. Look what Sissy has. Look what Sissy has.
Can you get it?
Move back with it. Move back. Keep coming. Come on, buddy. Don't give it to him. He can't eat it. Get it back from him. I was just wanting him to crawl so Daddy can see it. Where'd you go, Diego? said, hey.
Candy cane, please.
Okay, I'll get you a good one. Just give me 1 second.
Oh, why is this not on? Oh, okay. So we have to get a plug in it. Fire go! Diego!
He left us.
Ow. This will have that. Hey! Hey! Do you want to play cards? I put some water for Diego.
How nice. But all we're getting is the back of his